Hello guys, today we will discuss about top racing cars in USA. So let's go to the website. The images we will see here and some brief discussions we will talk. So top 10 American racing cars in history is Cunningham C4R, Eagle MK1, Dodge Viper GTS R, Ford GT40 MK4, Hornet TX, Hudson Hornet, Panache LMP Roadster, Selby Daytona Copy. Selby Daytona Copy was bred and built for the one purpose to take on Ferrari's dominant 250 GTO in GT class racing. So let's check some pictures of racing cars in USA. So the first one is American racing car. Here you can visit or zoom the images also. And second one is the red car. Third one is the racing car. Here are the few pictures that you can easily visit the site and check out. What is the best American racing car? The few names are here easily mentioned that you can visit it and check it. What car brand is best for racing is Porsche, Renault, Mercedes, Benz, Ford, Ferrari, MC11 and BMW. The best car manufacturers in motorsport. Uh, Most popular racing car is 8 Ferrari Enzo, 7 Ferrari F40, 6 Ferrari Leaf Ferrari, 5 MC11 P1 and 4 Renault Megane Surface Y ValenciaPlaza.com, 3 Mercedes Benz AMG GT. So here we can easily see that few names are easily mentioned in this site that which is the best car drivers or the most popular sport cars among these car drivers. So here is the names easily mentioned. So thank you for seeing my video.